Alright, getting the day started. Gonna go get a haircut because my hair looks like shit. Haven't got it cut since before Portugal. But yeah, gonna try and fix the car today too because I'm hating the wheel gap. And then taking my boy Huss a gift. The airline manhandled my bags, it looks like, and smashed the boxing. For sure has an exhaust leak. I should try to get that fixed too while I have the car up. Maybe go buy some new clamps because one of mine got fucked. And then another one sounds like it's about to fall off. And I think my test pipe's cracked. So that's cool. Shout out. Here at the spot. Yay! Ignore my damaged wheel. Need to get a new one soon, maybe. Just texted my barber. Can't make it today, even though I'm out here. To be honest, he probably hasn't seen it yet, but what he does, he'll probably call me some mean names. Motordyne. I had to get shocked. It's flipping my transmission, which is not good. ISO just still holding up. It's a little bit dirty. Alright, so never got around to lowering the car. Exhaust got taken care of, the leak pristine now, sounds a lot better. I actually lost a bolt somehow off the test pipes. And then 3 of the C clamps got messed up. But I ran into another problem, so never got around to lowering it. It's actually my sunroof doesn't close now. So I'm gonna turn this into another video and get a new motor for the sunroof because it's stuck like this. Sick. But I actually also continued the video with my boy who just picked up an RSX and is already fixing it up. He has a lot planned for it, but I supervised him and his brother put on some Stoptech brakes and rotors, and then he put on one of the Type R fenders for the RSX.
Robbie's hella dumb, dude. He's gonna freaking go back to flying. No? He's flying.
No, he's driving down there.
No, he just texted me like an hour ago.
What was that? What was that?
See that sound? Alright, so
Christmas came already for Calvin.
Sushi.
What?
Right,
what? Collab vlog? Nice ass.
Thank you.
I'm gonna help you.
Yeah, you know, Type R fenders, no big deal. Card not registered yet.
Fake.
That's it.
What? I see other stuff in there.
Those are secrets for the next video.
Oh.
It's a door of secrets. I think a little bit came out though. What?
Kelvin won't throw on the exhaust. He won't. Let's go see what this is all about.
Tommy?
Booty club.
The front ones or the bigger
ones?
one?
Go, Daniel. Force it off.
Can you give me a size 12 wrench?
Stoptech. No, I cannot.
Is it in gear, Colin?
Not in gear yet.
Maybe
Garbage.
we can get out of gear.
Not garbage.
bolts, big ones. That's why I use a paintbrush or a paint fucking can.
Sure.
So we just use a paint can so we can put the caliper on top of it, and it doesn't
Also
hang
did
out.
most of the work then?
No.
Oh. Did I do
So
part of
the
it?
caliper, yeah. Chill, and then there's 2 bolts, one right here and one down here that holds onto this.
Fuck, that's
So
hard.
for right now, just take off these pads.
That's it. We just had to change pads right there. We're done.
Yeah, if we just had to change pads, we would have been done right there.
That's pretty easy.
Yeah. And the freaking screws for the whatevers
The rotor?
and rotors, and we're done. No.
What the fuck? That shit's easy.
Yeah.
You made it sound complicated as hell.
I didn't make it sound complicated. You did. Brake pads that I have in the box.
Which box?
Either
The one
one.
that's open?
Yeah, I think so.
New.
Made a